Hi friends, today let us discuss about interesting India's superlatives. The largest museum in India. It is Indian Museum which is located in Kolkata, West Bengal, and it was established on 2nd February 1814. It is also referred as Imperial Museum at Kolkata, and it is the ninth oldest museum in the world. It has rare collections of antiques, ornaments, fossils, skeletons, mummies, and so many Mughal paintings. The largest desert in India. It is Thar Desert, which is located in Rajasthan, and its area is about 200,000 square kilometers. And this Thar Desert is also known as Great Indian Desert. It is the world's 20th largest desert and world's ninth largest hot subtropical desert. The tallest statue in India. It is also called as Statue of Unity. It is the statue of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel and it is located in the state of Gujarat, and the height of the statue is around 182 meters. And this statue is located on Narmada River in Kevadia colony. And Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel was the first deputy prime minister and home minister of independent India. The longest rail cum road bridge. It is Bogibeel Bridge, and this Bogibeel Bridge is combined road and rail bridge over Brahmaputra River in the state of Assam, and it is between Dhemaji district and Dibrugarh district, and its length is about 4.94 kilometers. As it is situated in an earthquake prone area, it is India's first bridge to have fully welded steel concrete support beams that can withstand earthquakes of magnitude up to 7 on Richter scale. And it is also Asia's second longest rail cum road bridge. The largest planetarium in India. It is Birla Planetarium, Kolkata. And this Birla Planetarium was established on 2nd July 1963. It is a single-storied circular structure designed in typical Indian style. And other than this, there are two other Birla planetariums which are in Chennai and Hyderabad respectively. The largest library in India. It is National Library which is present in Kolkata, and it was established in 1836. It is the largest library by volume and public record. And this library is under Ministry of Culture, that is Government of India. The longest railway platform in India. It is Gorakhpur railway platform, which is in Uttar Pradesh state, and its length is about 1366 meters. Now Hubballi Junction, which is in Karnataka state, is going to be transformed into world's largest platform. The work is under progress. Hi friends, today let us discuss about interesting India's superlatives. The largest animal fair held in India is in Sonepur Mela, that is near Patna in Bihar. And this Sonepur Mela is held on full moon day, that is Kartik Purnima, over months of November and December on the confluence of river Ganges. It is also known as Harihar Kshetra Mela. The longest river in India is the river Ganga or Ganges. It is about 2525 kilometers. And river Ganga flows through India and Bangladesh. 2525 kilometers river rises in western Himalayas in Indian state of Uttarakhand and flows south and east through Gangetic plain of North India. Then it flows to Bangladesh. The longest rail cum road bridge. It is Bogibeel Bridge, and this Bogibeel Bridge is combined road and rail bridge over Brahmaputra River in the state of Assam, and it is between Dhemaji district and Dibrugarh district, and its length is about 4.94 kilometers. The largest auditorium in India is Sri Shanmukhananda Auditorium, which is situated in Mumbai, Maharashtra state, and the seating capacity of this auditorium is around 3020 seats. The longest dam in India is Hirakud Dam, and this dam is situated about 15 kilometers from Sambalpur in the state of Odisha in India. And this dam was constructed over Mahanandi River, and it is 24.4 kilometers long and 2.8 kilometers wide. The highest dam in India is Bakranangal Dam, and this dam is situated on the river Satluj, which is in Punjab state, and it is of 226 meters high and 518 meters long. The largest freshwater lake in India is Vular Lake. Vular Lake is situated in Bandipora district in Jammu and Kashmir state. The largest saline lake in India is Chilka Lake. Chilka Lake spread over Puri, Khurda and Ganjam districts of Odisha. It covers an area of around 1100 square kilometers. The longest river in India is the river Ganga or Ganges. It is about 2525 kilometers. In river Ganga, the busiest international airport in India is Indira Gandhi International Airport in Delhi, and it is the seventh busiest international airport in the world. Hi friends, today let us discuss about interesting India's superlatives. The longest national highway in India is NH44, and its length is about 3745 kilometers. So those were some of the superlatives of India. Hope it was useful. Thank you. Stay safe and stay healthy.